Don't forget to subscribe to the Ahmed Maki Vlogs and click on the bell icon for the latest updates.
And the guys are waiting for us down below. Over there, do you see that? So now we're gonna go down, again up, again down, again up. So this is the condition of the roads out here. Okay, so just have a look at the road out here. It's quite narrow and quite unappealing. It's kind of a difficult road. Ooh, it's getting bad and bad. Look at the water stream flowing. Wow, a lot of stones falling from the top. Holy cow, man, we gotta cross that water crossing over there. Do you see that? That ain't easy, man. Oh my God. For God's sake. Do you see that? Do you freaking see that? Oh man, this is in my life the first time crossing a water crossing. Got you, got. Yeah. Oh, I just did it. I just crossed the freaking water crossing without my legs down. Oh my God. Suka, suka, suka. Holy cow. Smokes. For God's sake, that is a serious water crossing. Frickin' water crossing, man. So usually what they do is that they just take up this bridge during the winters and put them back during the summers. So that is the reason that we crossed the water from the water crossing out there. Alright, so the bikes are getting a bit wet and all of that because they have this kind of low exhaust, so the water is just entering the exhaust system. So yeah, kind of scary. Oh, the earth mover is just ahead of me. What the hell is this? Scary as hell, man. Gotta go. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. But my KTM, thank God it never faced any kind of problem. The water crossing was, I mean, it wasn't a piece of cake, but it was like, I mean, like the KTM could do it easy. That's all I can just tell you. So I was just told that there's another water crossing which is going to be even worse. That's more like a river crossing. So this wasn't a water crossing, this was like a river crossing, but they say that this is not a major one, and the major one is supposed to be coming ahead, and that's going to be seriously difficult. So let's give it a shot and let's see how it's going to be. Do you see the road? You see how bad it is? And I'm on my freaking KTM. Oh shit, that is a freaking water crossing. Do you see that? Do you see that water crossing over there? Not water crossing, that's a river crossing. That's a river crossing, guys. That's a serious river crossing. Okay. So we gotta go from here. Holy cow, look at the freaking water. This is a river crossing, man. A serious one. Look at the guys crossing, man. This is a serious river crossing. कहाँ से? Oh shit, my shoes are wet as hell, man. So soaked wet. Holy cow. Do you see this? My feet are like wet. Do you see this? Holy cow. Feet are wet. Do you see this water dripping? You see this? Check this out. See how wet my shoes is? That was like a serious water crossing, man. My shoes are gone. It's wet as hell, man. Look at it. See that dripping? That's how wet it is. I was just afraid of my baggage because I got my, camera batteries and all that. So that is my main concern. But my feet are not that cold or anything. It's gonna get fine within time, I believe so. So I'm not gonna carry my bag now. I'm gonna buckle it inside. Much better, because this is a lot of weight. I don't want to take weight now. I'm not in the mood. My bag's like half wet. I feel that on the side. I see this part wet. So this was a sick water crossing, trust me, man. I have never done these kind of water crossings in my life. So this is the first time, and I managed to get out, but the thing is that my shoes are all wet. So that happens and it's fine. Thank God it's not that cold even. So I think it'll dry up by tomorrow, hopefully. So let's hope for the best. And now we're gonna have some lunch to eat. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next shot after the lunch. The DC office, they sent us an ambulance because there's a water crossing out here. So they just wanted to make sure that we all are safe and fine. So that is the reason that they have sent the ambulance, just a precautionary measure. And here comes traffic. Traffic police. For us, that's how it is. So now we're getting all set and we're ready to head out from here. Okay, so we're heading off from here now, and that's the guys going ahead. So now we need to go to the police checkpost that were there since they came to see us. So we did a lot of off-roading out from here, and I heard that the roads ahead are also bad, not that good. Look at this. I think this used to be a water crossing before, but now it seems to be they have made kind of a channel or something for the water to flow. Easy peasy. Yeah, look at the number of bikers that we are. 17 motorcycles. How cool is that? Okay, so this is our ambulance that's going to be coming with us. as an escort, of course. Why not? So the check post has been crossed. Okay, so this is a check post and this is a militarized zone. And do you see the fencing over there? I would say 12 o'clock straight. So I'm not going to point it out over there, but that is Pakistan. So that is how close it is. The fencing behind me, do you see that? Straight away, 12 o'clock. That is Pakistan, man. That's how close we are. Wow, unbelievable. So this is a check post and they just need to verify our, documents and everything. They're just doing that. So we have the green signal to pass on. Okay, so here we go. Let's keep it moving. Wow, do you see the fence? 10 o'clock? Oh, 10 o'clock. Wow. That is Pakistan, man. So this is the LOC line of control. People live in this kind of remote places. Omar is throwing a lot of dust. Why not? I go from here. Okay, so they're just inspecting. So this is a militarized zone, so gotta be extra cautious and careful. So let me just go ahead and let me just prove my identity. Let me just stand for a while, flex my bum, and keep going. Okay, I'm gonna just shut down from here and see you guys in the next shot once I complete this entire route.